Hi guys, forgot your screen time passcode and no option to recover the password. Don't panic, we will show you the easiest fix. To turn off screen time without a passcode, simply launch Cinsio's passcode in Locker. Then connect your iPhone to your PC using a USB cable. Click the screen time mode. Don't worry, there will be no data loss at all. It allows you to bypass the passcode both set by yourself or others. When you are ready, directly click the Start button to turn off screen time. A few moments later, you can see that the screen time passcode has been removed successfully. Open My Device, and there are no restrictions. Besides the screen time, Cinsio's also allows you to remove Apple ID, screen passcode, Touch ID, Face ID, and more. That's it. If your screen time isn't working, or you want to get rid of it without a password, try Cinsio's passcode in Locker. Fast and keep all data intact. Like, subscribe, and comment if this fix works for you. Thanks for watching.